Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce your credit utilization ratio with Credit Karma. Let's get straight into it. So to do that, you're going to want to follow these steps. So the first is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the mobile app or you can do that on the website. Once you're logged into your account, you want to click on the credit score tab, and here you can view your credit utilization ratio and identify areas that demand improvement. Now you just gotta pay down debits or increase credit limits to reduce your credit utilization. You also want to monitor your credit utilization ratio over time to ensure that it remains low. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reduce your credit utilization ratio with Credit Karma. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.